Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove glasses in Photoshop. So now that you have the picture, click Ctrl J to duplicate the picture. Okay, now what you want to do is go to this tool, click on lasso and select all of these areas of the glasses. Okay, so now all the areas is selected. Now click on select, modify, expand and change it to 3 pixels. Click OK. Alright, now click on the lasso tool here and then hold Alt while selecting all of these inner parts of the glasses. Now that you're done, click on edit, click on fill, change this to content aware and change the opacity to 100. Click OK. Okay, so here's the final look. Obviously there's a bit of a residue here. You can actually just quickly select this tool again and select these parts that you want to remove and click on fill, edit and continue over again. So yeah, you can quickly tweak all this residue that you want. So yeah, I guess that's it for today guys. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer all of it, and thanks for watching.